Hi everyone, in this video I will take you through the latest capabilities of SAP Lumira Server. Till now we are used to create visualizations and stories in Lumira desktop and then able to publish it to Lumira Server so that we could view it in the Lumira Server. But now with the latest Lumira Server you have the opportunity to either create a new one or enhance the existing published visualizations or stories directly inside the Lumira Server. As you could see, these are the different data set. It may be either in HANA analytical view created in HANA Studio, which is visible here, or it can also be a data set published from SAP Lumira Desktop. So now we will take you through into the data set itself so that we could create a new visualization and a storyboard out of it. As you can see here, the look and feel looks similar to the Lumira desktop where you have the opportunity to create visualizations and also in the compose sections to create stories. And also here you could pick up all your different measures, dimensions on the chart types which you want to have a view. You also have the possibility of having look into related visualizations where the system will propose you the different charts which can be possible based upon the data you have in the data set. Okay, either I could browse or save this particular visualizations there, or you can also create a new one. So to create the new one, now we go into the gallery section so that we could pick up the chart tab which we want. So in this scenario we will pick up the quantity sold, and in the dimensions we want to have the lines so that we will show that all the quantity sold by lines item. So this is one chart which we have created there here. Now you could also do in similar like desktop, you could also filter it there whether you want to include or exclude some of the line items you have it there. So in this section I want to exclude the accessories there here, so I will mention it so that I will have the data related. Okay, so before I create a new chart I will just now save it so that it will be stored as a new story in my SAP Lumira server. Just name it as Lumira Server Sales Analysis just to make sure that this is a view or story created from the Lumira server itself. You could see now once I click save, now this particular section has changed to as a story icon where it says LS sales analysis based upon the data set, the one which you have choose while creating these visualizations. Okay, quickly now we'll create a new visualization there. So similarly we just need to click on plus to add that one, and this time we will choose the bubble chart, and here accordingly all the different measures and dimensions required for the bubble chart will appear here. So here I will be choosing the sales revenue in my x-axis, and then I will be choosing the quantity sold in my y-axis, and the width I really want to have for the gross margin there. And let's also pick up the legend color city. Okay, so now I have created a bubble chart where I will be able to see the sales revenue and the quantity sold and with the gross margin by city. So this is kind of a visualization which I created there. Now quickly showing you the next capabilities is the compose section. So similar to desktop, here you have the possibility to create like storyboards there, but here now in the latest one you have the capabilities of either to create a board, or you can also create some infographics there, or basically a standard report section there. So here quickly we will just create a blank one so that we will have all the required visualizations into our story. So here in the compose section you could see that there are all the visualizations which I created in the section are available here. So I will be just dragging and dropping here so that all my required content are available here. Okay, now I also want my quantity sold by lanes also available here, so it will automatically adjust similar to the Lumira desktop. Okay, now you also have the section here for the page settings there, whatever you want to have a look there on the background color and everything there. So in this section I said I don't want to show the title because I want to use the text, annotation here. So here I just drag and drop my text field, and I could also resize it accordingly there. And here I will directly change my title to sales analysis. Okay, and also I save it just to make sure there. And here you also have the possibility to choose any background color there, similar to Lumira desktop here, or you could also input some pictures there, and you also have the possibility to add input controls into your stories itself there. Okay, so and also you also have the possibility to even create a new page so that it will really have like a story flow from one screen to the next screen. But this is a quick kind of a show of showing the latest capabilities there. Now the important thing is, like, now we go back into the Launchpad page, where now you are able to see this, the same one which we created, sales analysis, as a new story. It's not a data set. So if I directly log into that LS sales analysis there, now you will be able to see the same sales analysis story which you have created on based on these two visualizations. And this is kind of a way how it will look like from a story point of view. But as I mentioned, with SAP Lumira Server, you still have the capability to enhance this particular further. So you could see here there is an edit functionality that you could click on the edit, then you will be back again to the same section where you are able to create the visualizations and the compose story. So till on top you could create any kind of a new visualizations on top and bring it to the story, or you could also create a new page there. So whatever you want to do, similar to Lumira desktop, you could do it there. Hope you like this particular video to understand some basic functionalities of Lumira server, and please look forward of creation of some more videos on the Lumira server. Thank you.